Late start to today's video. It's a vlog with Robert and Kaylin and Randy. We are looking at potentially Robert's new car, 2006.
He don't flake, knowing Robert.
Yeah, he probably flaked.
He already flaked. Yeah, I ain't buying this.
It looks pretty good though. Yeah, just need a paint restoration on, like a nice polish. Yeah, 6-speed too, boy.
After that, Robert did actually pick up the car. He got it for a good deal. 2006 TL, not a Type S. I thought it was, because it had the big brake package in the front. But other than that, he got the car, and then Kayla let me drive her 2018 Civic. And it was great.
Why is it green up top? Why I got the leaf on top of drive? It's in econo mode?
Yeah, it's eco mode, bro.
You ain't got sport mode and stuff? You can't go fast?
Oh, hold on. I'll let you go fast. You gotta wait.
But you ain't got gas. I don't want to waste your gas.
Robert thinks it's pretty fast.
I mean, it is nice though.
It's clean.
It is clean.
Hatchback, bro.
You got a hatch?
It's a hatch.
Wow, you making big moves.
All right, you ready? You can go.
This ain't no fast.
You didn't push it.
Oh, shit. Woo! This is fast. Damn, girl, fast. Your boys are conservative. Cutty in the song on the lane's ice cream. No!
Goodbye.
What? Yo! Cutty in the song on the lane's ice cream. What? Max, the girl call me Mr. Nice Feeling. Nice to make good from the sneaks to the fade. I ain't even in the game and the nigga look bad. Hot roast niggas get sprayed with the red.
Well, now that we got that out the way, after that, didn't really do much, but I do have some footage of me and my acting skills so y'all can roast me on. So this is the first like movie style commercial type trailer type thing I've ever did. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, let me know your thoughts down below after you watch it.
24 years and 1,300 predictions later, with nothing to show for it, yet fate has called upon us again. Now, brothers, it is finally time, due to unexplained recent phenomena. Yes, Sebastian?
Like unicorn frappuccinos?
Like the unicorn frappuccino, we can say with 99.9% certainty that an alien invasion will happen this year. Any questions?
Winston, my mom said that if the aliens don't come this time, that we can't use her attic anymore.
It's okay, Jimmy. I'm sure Sebastian won't mind us using his mom's attic.
Sebastian?
This just in, breaking news. Stay tuned.
There's an alien invasion, and we need you to save the universe. Join the fight before it's too late.
Oh my gosh, it's really happening.
Initiate code 43. Who? Food. Water. Defense. Entertainment. Blood samples. Seal the door.
Wait! What about the rest of humanity?
You mean everyone who laughed in our faces?
Yeah, they gave me a lot of wedgies.
It's not about who's right or wrong. It's about what's right or wrong.
Are you saying we're gonna save the world?
That's exactly what I'm saying. Let's go kill some aliens, boys.
Rockin' cells in my tongue and my hip hurts. Miss Lapini, watch out! There's an alien invasion!
Invasion? The only invasion is that damn sign! Blocking my view.
It's just a laser tag commercial.
Come on, guys. Let's go clear out the attic.
I mean, I wasn't a big part of the video, but your boy did portray his, Samuel L. Jackson. You feel me? No, I didn't. That video was actually shot in July, and we just shot a new video like a couple months ago. I'd say around a little bit before my birthday, so like late October, early October, I can't remember. But we shot another video, and that came out pretty okay. Only reason I say that because I play a gay dude, and like, I don't know, I didn't like it.
I don't know if I should have walked home alone tonight. Please. No, don't hurt me. Just take my money.
Oh, I don't want your money. I want your...
My mom said I look like Birdman today. Kind of hurt my feelings. But that's all I'm going to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed a little snippet. From that part on, it just gets weird. And I know it's look cringy. That's the style of the video. It's supposed to be like, oh, like I am so scared. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to be like, what I'm saying, what am I saying? I do hope you guys enjoyed the video thus far. I got some great news to tell you guys. Tomorrow, which would be the 7th, or you may be watching this on the 7th, is the day I pick up Christina's son. So the next video after this will be the video of me picking it up, showing the paint reveal, and maybe putting on the parts of it. But after I pick up the car, videos should start going back to normal where I upload every day, or attempt to try to upload every day with the new content, fresh and exciting new content with a clean car. Wow, I can't believe I get to say that. That's crazy. But if you did enjoy this video, please smack that like button for your boy. That would be very appreciated. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Let me ask you guys a very important question that deals with humanity. Who has the best TV show, Arrow or The Flash?